So being around trees and nature in itself is very helpful to remove negative energy. Now, what I mean by that is trees have this grounding effect. Trees, plants, and being around in nature, like just out in the open, it has a really good grounding effect. Now, what I mean by grounding effect is whenever you observe negative energy, whenever you observe all the things which you don't really need to have in your life in the first place, you're observing all these negative information from people, negative emotions from people, all your situations that have happened to you in your past, that have happened to you throughout your entire life. You're kind of observing it and you're storing it in your body. Now, when you are around in nature, when you're outside, and this is a really good time to even go barefoot and start, absorbing the earth's energy. You're kind of grounding yourself. And when you ground yourself, it's like the base of your spine. It's called the root chakra. And this is responsible in protecting you from any negative, energy, negative attacks, any spiritual attacks or psychic attacks. It's also very helpful in protecting you from energy vampires, people who kind of drain your energy at any given moment. Just being out in nature, just being out in the open kind of protects you from all these negative entities. So get out, get yourself out more often than usual. It's like because trees, plants hold a certain vibration. They hold a certain vibrational frequency. And this vibrational frequency helps you to ground yourself, helps you and to let go of this negative energy, and shed off this negative energy that you have been holding on for such a long period of time. And that is why now, if you analyze, all the wealthy neighborhoods have more plants, have more trees than the neighborhoods that are not so wealthy. It's like every wealthy neighborhood has so much plants, so much open space for you to actually go walk around and absorb the nature's energy. Look, we are not meant to be living inside of four concrete walls, into cardboard walls. We are not meant to be trapped inside this enclosed environment. We are, part of the nature. We are part of the earth. We are here to absorb energy from nature in itself. Like you feel energized, especially when you're outside. You kind of absorb the energy from the universe. It's very abundant. Now these energy vampires will kind of steal energy from other people, and the ones who are close to them, they are unable to absorb energy from the nature. And if you notice them, they don't really come out in natural environments. They're always enclosed and trapped inside their own dome cave. So get yourself out more, because not only you are shedding off the negative energy that has been stored inside your body, mind, and soul for such a long period of time, but also you are essentially preventing yourself into becoming this energy vampire. The soulless demon always relies on other people's energy, and at the same time you're guarding yourself and you are repairing all the energy points in your body. Now, if you look here, even it's night, even though in night trees don't emit as much oxygen as they do in the day, it is still way better to spend some time outside in the environment than trapping yourself inside these enclosed walls of concrete or cardboard. you know like it's literally, you kind of sense, like if you're sensitive enough, you kind of feel like shedding off the negative energy that has been stored inside your aura, your electromagnetic field. Now why I say this is because when you are just living, being, thriving, you emit an electromagnetic field. There's an electromagnetic field around you, and that is essentially your aura. It's like you are emitting the frequency of the emotions that you are vibrating upon. This kind of correlates to the reality that you manifest around you. So to let go of the negative energy that has been stored inside your body, Get outside more. Spend some time out in the nature. Go for a walk in the park. Go sit in a garden. Go sit near flowers. Go stand near flowers. Because these trees, these plants have the ability to absorb negative energy. They kind of have that guarding, guarding vibration. They kind of guard your energy and then ground you in earth and help you in cleansing the root chakra. Now, the root chakra is responsible for removing all the negative energy. It's responsible for guarding you from any energetic attacks. It's also responsible for you to, what do you call, control your state, your emotional flow, and be more grounded. Like you're not getting so triggered anymore. You are, in control of your mind, your state. You don't easily get triggered by external substances, or if somebody comes and tells you something, if somebody provokes the most deepest and darkest pain in your life, you don't really get triggered, and you don't get consumed by pendulum swings. You don't get consumed by your inner demons or the outer demons that happen in society. You just are living, thriving, and being in this amazing present moment. So get yourself out in nature. It doesn't matter if it's night, if it's day, if it's cold. Like now it's cold, it's 4 degrees, 5 degrees. I'm not really used to this cold right now. So get yourself out, guard yourself, ground yourself with the earth's energy, with the earth's magnetic field. Kind of help yourself relax and get into the state and start manifesting your desired reality. Shut off the negative energy, raise your frequency, and start manifesting your desired reality.